O yung Bisaya natin, may sariling mundo.
Ugali mo,
Ay!
ilugal.
Nag-earthquake! Why do you think the earthquake happened?
I think it's because of the endogenic processes.
The Earth is composed of two processes, the exogenic and endogenic process.
Endogenic happens at the surface of the planet, while the endogenic happens within.
While the earthquake is an endogenic process, earthquakes occur due to the movement of the Earth's plates. There are two types of earthquakes, the tectonic and volcanic. Tectonic earthquakes happen when the Earth's crust shifts due to the movement of tectonic plates, while the volcanic earthquake occurs because of the activity inside volcanoes, like the movement of magma beneath the surface. So here's Venice to explain furthermore.
Hi, I'm Ben, and I'll explain it furthermore. Speaking of earthquakes, did you know the Earth is made up of different layers? We have the crust, the mantle, and the core. The crust is where exogenic processes like weathering and erosions take place, but the mantle and core are responsible for endogenic processes like earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and the formation of mountains.
Right. Inside the Earth, there are three main heat sources that power these endogenic processes. First is the primordial heat, which comes from the planet's formation. Radioactive decay, which happens when unstable elements like uranium break down and release energy. And gravitational contraction, which releases heat as the Earth's interior contracts and become more dense.
Ay, ang init naman!
Ito pamaypay sa loob.
Heat is transferred within the Earth to three processes. Conduction, where heat travels through solid materials like the crust. Convection, where hot, less dense material rises, while cooler, denser material sinks in the mantle. And radiation, although that mainly occurs from the Earth's surface into space.
Internal heat drives endogenic processes like folding and faulting, which shape the Earth's landscape by forming mountains and valleys.
Faults are fractures on the Earth's crust where rocks can move. There are three types of fault: the normal fault, reverse fault, and the strike-slip fault, each caused by different stress forces acting on the rocks.
The forces that cause faults include compression, tension, and shearing, which influence how rocks bend, break, or shift.
Endogenic processes also include magmatism, the movement of molten rocks beneath the Earth's surface. When magma reaches the surface, it causes volcanic eruptions.
And then there's metamorphism. It happens when rocks undergo intense pressure and heat, transforming into new types of rock like marble and slate.
Plate tectonics, driven by internal heat, powers all of these processes: folding, faulting, magmatism, and metamorphism, shaping our planet's surface.
The interaction of tectonic plates is key to understand endogenic processes. When plates collide, they form mountain ranges or trigger volcanic activity through subduction, where one plate sinks beneath another.
Subduction zones are home to some of the world's most active volcanoes, especially along the Pacific Ring of Fire. As plates sink and melt, magma rises and erupts, creating volcanic landforms. To sum it up, endogenic processes shape the Earth from within by creating mountains, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, and transforming rocks over millions of years.
So, how about the exogenic processes?
Exogenic processes include weathering, erosion, transportation, and deposition. These processes, driven by external forces like wind, water, and ice, continuously shape the Earth's surface.
Weathering breaks down rocks through mechanical, chemical, or biological means.
Mechanical weathering happens due to temperature changes, freezing, or plant activity, while chemical weathering involves water acting with minerals to form new compounds. Biological weathering happens when organisms like lichens produce acids that dissolve minerals. Even though these processes are slow, their impact is enormous. For example, the Grand Canyon was formed by the Colorado River cutting through rock over millions of years.
And let's not forget about the transportation of sediments. Rivers and glaciers carry materials across vast distances, reshaping the landscape, especially in coastal regions where erosion and deposition alter shorelines.
So, in summary, exogenic processes, weathering, erosion, transportation, and deposition work together to break down and reshape the Earth's surface. Without them, we wouldn't have many of the landforms we see today, like valleys, cliffs, or even soil. which is formed by the accumulation of weathered rock materials.
These processes may seem small and slow, but over millions of years, they have a tremendous impact on shaping the Earth's landscape.
Exogenic and endogenic processes aren't separate. They actually work together. For example, when tectonic forces push up mountains, exogenic forces like erosion and weathering work to wear them down.
Exactly. These two types of processes are constantly at play, balancing and reshaping the Earth's surface over geological time. And that's how exogenic and endogenic processes work together to shape the Earth.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Earth Science content!
All
Thanks for watching!
watching!